I don't even have a box by me. That's how you know I'm so unprepared. But this is the wig. Ooh, they gonna be like, no, we're not approving that video. Please redo it. Hey y'all, welcome back. So if y'all can't tell, today we're doing a wig install video. So yeah, here's the wig. This is from Alipearl hair. The details and everything will be linked below, but I washed it already, so it's pretty frizzy or whatever. It has no product in it, but let me show y'all the lace really quick. It is a HD lace. It also has a band in it where I can wear it as a glueless if I wanted to. It did come pre-plucked, but I did go back and do some plucking. I bleached at the knots. I really didn't have enough bleach and I didn't realize it until I had already started. Okay, so we got the wig on and this is what the hairline is looking like. Very natural. I did put some makeup on it. I probably could have went without the makeup, but I just wanted to put it on there to be on the safe side. So I like put mine in the inside and then I put some on the outside if I need to. That's what it's looking like already. The lace is definitely giving transparent. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and get to laying it. Just take the sides and clip them up out the way. That way the hairline is more visible. So I messed up at. I don't know why I put the liner on the lace. I was definitely supposed to just put it on my forehead and, you know, use it as my guide so I know where to cut the lace. But I went ahead and laid the wig or whatever, thinking that, okay, I could just cut the little dots off when I go cut the lace, but it was just too far back. So honestly, it was just not a good install, so I had to take the wig off, wash it. The foundation I used was not the right color. It was just a whole mess. So y'all gonna see me reinstall the wig, which I feel like can still be helpful because a lot of people have used wigs that they want to reuse. But I want to leave a little part in here of me cutting off the earpieces, the ear tabs, because it's just a part of the process. I don't know why I did that. Why did I do that? I've never done it before. I've never used that method. And then I was saying I want to use the method. This side over here didn't lay right at all. I'm gonna just show y'all the wig, the inside of the wig, so y'all can see that it's still the same wig. We're gonna try this again because that was just awful. I was like, yeah, let me just go ahead and cut the camera off because this is not it. This is not it. Yeah, it's a little fat back there. But I'm literally going to get my hair braided tomorrow, and I did not want to take the time to braid my hair down. But this wig feeling a little too little. But I can't even be mad. They asked me my head size, and I told them I had a regular head. Maybe my head is a little big. And this little band they put on here is too loose. Like maybe my head is a little too big or it's too small. It'll work though. Like if I had my hair braided down, it would be perfect. But since I just got my hair in 2 ponytails and then pinned them like around my head, yeah, but it's definitely looking a lot better. So let's go ahead and start laying her down. I'm not gonna lie, today I'm a little paranoid to use this girl's knot because it's yellow and the gotta be is clear, so that won't be a problem. So I'm thinking I might try to use that and the spritz maybe, because I don't use no ghost bun or nothing like that. Usually I would. I used it yesterday just for right here, but it still made my forehead break out a little bit, so I just can't use this stuff. I just can't. I'm gonna just take my Gotta Be gel. Mind you, this is for people who just need to wear a wig for a few days. I'm just gonna start off with the top. And the spritz I got is a super hold. I really don't know which one everybody else be using. I just picked up one. I saw there was a purple one and a blue one. One said mega hold, I think, or another one said super hold. I just got the super hold one. Mega hold probably would have been the best one to get, but it's alright. If you've never watched any of my wig videos before, I usually would use a mix of Gorilla Snot and Gotta Be gel because it just was the perfect mix for me. Like it held my wigs down as long as I needed them to. It's not gonna last you as long as actual lace glue, but lace glue, like my skin just does not like it. It irritates my skin and my baby hairs come down a little far on my face and it just ends up ripping my hair out. I'm not a professional, so I probably don't be doing it right anyway, but I just prefer to use something that I can remove easily, to be honest. It still melted right into my skin. It's just not as long lasting. So as long as you're using anything that's clear, then you'll be fine as far as the melt goes. But of course, if you want the longevity, then you would use the actual lace glue. Y'all know the consistency of Gotta Be. So I work in sections because if I try to glue the whole wig down, it's just gonna slide back. It doesn't instantly stick like lace glue does. You have to tie it down or blow dry it or use a fan, whatever, but you get what I'm saying. Okay, let's take this band off. Okay, it's not bad. I feel like pretty much the rest of the video where I'm not talking is self-explanatory. You're gonna see me pull out my baby hairs like you're seeing now, and then at one point you're gonna see me cut them, curl them, pluck them a little bit, you know, the usual when it comes to wearing a wig. So I'm gonna just catch back up with y'all later on in the video. So I know in one of my other videos, somebody was like, oh my god, I love the fact you don't use a hot comb on your curly units. I actually do use a hot comb. I just never show it. Yeah, I got like 7 things plugged up right here beside me already, and I already feel like it's gonna blow up. So I'm too scared to put a heat tool right here. But I just went and like hot combed my baby hairs out the way, or I'm gonna use my baby hairs. But I use it at the top of my curly units just because even though this is already laying pretty flat, the point in the hot comb is to get the unit to lay as flat as possible. Even though you're gonna wet it, put water on it, mousse, whatever, you still need to hot comb it to make sure it's laying flat. Like with it being a curly wig, you still don't want it looking like a helmet up here, so you still need to use a hot comb. Like I just use a hot comb on all my wigs. I don't care the texture of the hair at all. But I'm gonna take my spritz. I've never used spritz before. Oh, it do melt right into your skin though. I don't like the way this stuff smells. I probably should have plucked my baby hairs before I did it. Yeah, I should have been got spritz. I be seeing people talk about it all the time. They be using it on TikTok, but I don't ever use it because I'm really not a huge wig wearer. But when I tell y'all it melted right into my skin, I'm supposed to get my hair braided tomorrow. I might have to cancel. Oh, thank you, Jesus. Y'all was praying about this wig for real. Like I be praying about some of the most odd things, but I was praying because y'all saw how it was looking last night. I'm like, there's no way I just put this wig on this bad. Like I know somebody how to install a wig. Like I've been installing wigs for a little minute now. There's no way I put the wig on that bad last night. I don't even want to put that part in that video. I don't know if I want to look curl right there that everybody be having. I don't know if I can do that. I'm cursing. I'm gonna just cut this because I don't even know why I'm playing like that. Okay, y'all, so we on the last section. I'm gonna just take my Shea Moisture curl enhancing smoothie and just run this through my ends because this really works really good. I say run through my ends and then went straight to the top of my head. This works really good in my wigs. So last but not least, we're gonna go back and perfect this part a little bit. Y'all, this looks so good. It's just the fact that I never plucked the front. I'm gonna take a eyebrow pencil and try to fill in these bald spots. Okay. So that's it for this video. Thank you again to Alipearl Hair for sponsoring this look today, y'all. This is so cute. I love these curls. If y'all want to send me another one, y'all can. We could try something straight, you know. But this is cute. Thank y'all again for sponsoring this video. And thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this look, make sure you guys give me a thumbs up. And make sure y'all follow me on TikTok because I really post the most on TikTok now. I post a lot of my clients content on TikTok, so make sure y'all follow me at Made It by Kirsten, and see y'all in the next one.